Now, as we sit here or lie here, resting in awareness featuring the breath flowing in and out of the body, we can experiment with actually expanding the field of awareness around the breath until it includes a sense of the body as a whole, sitting here or lying here, breathing, because of course we're still breathing. So noticing if your awareness is flexible enough so that it can just hold this larger focus of attention, so to speak. Breath is still going just the way the breath has been going. The mind may be wandering like crazy, just the way the mind has been wandering. We keep bringing it back over and over and over again without judging ourselves harshly or criticizing ourselves, but with awareness of what the mind is up to and where it is going. But now we're holding the whole body in awareness, and it's actually breathing. So feeling the full universe of sensations associated with the body lying here or sitting here, being itself. Bathed by the air, drawing the air in, letting it come out, which is what we call breathing. But actually seeing if you can be in touch with, say, the envelope of your skin, which is also caressed by the air and in its own way also breathing. And just the sense, however it is, of your body, just as it is, whatever sensations are here, whether it's a sense of heaviness or a sense of lightness, a sense of tingling or throbbing or whatever is going on in the body. And of course, there are many, many different sensations in the body, and they come and go and flux and change. And just, again, remembering that what we're cultivating here is an awareness that can simply hold the whole of it. In this case, the body as a whole, sitting or lying down and breathing, moment by moment by moment. And as when we were just focusing on the breath, when the mind takes off and goes here and goes there, and we forget about the body and we lose track of being here and we're off someplace else in the past or in the future, or having some argument or other or struggle or other with somebody else or with ourselves, just noticing, where's the body in this moment? Where's the breath in this moment? Where's my mind in this moment? And just gently escorting it back to the belly, to the breath, to the skin, to the entirety of the body sitting or lying here, complete as it is in its wholeness, however it is. Whether the sensations in various parts of the body are pleasant or unpleasant, comfortable or uncomfortable, or so neutral you'd hardly notice. Seeing if you can hold it all in awareness, moment by moment by moment, without trying to make anything go away. We're not trying to relax. We're not trying to get anywhere. We're not trying to obliterate thought. We're simply resting in awareness with things exactly as they are and featuring the body as a whole. Breathing. Moment by moment by moment by moment by moment. Fully awake. allowing the attention to be affectionate, kindly towards oneself, compassionate and accepting towards oneself. As best you can, without forcing, without pushing, without striving, just being here in the body, feeling the body as a whole, sitting or lying and breathing. As best you can, noticing that each in-breath is a new beginning, each out-breath a complete letting go, so that we stay fresh, fully awake to the timeless present. That is what we mean when we say now, when we inhabit the now. A veritable stepping out of clock time into your life, into this moment, into things exactly as they already are, into clarity and acceptance and awareness. And just keeping in mind that if the mind wanders, it's just what the mind does, just the same way oceans wave. There's nothing wrong with your mind for wandering. You're not a bad meditator because your mind is wandering. You're not trying to suppress the wandering of the mind. You're just holding it in awareness, noticing what's on your mind when it goes off, and then gently, lovingly bringing it back over and over and over and over and over again. As if it mattered, as if your life depended on it. And as we've said, it does. It does. It does.